माँ, आई, अम्मी, बा, मांजी, ताई, मूछ, तल्ली, ईजा, मात्री, ईमा, पाबो, मासा. Hello children, so today I just gave you the alternate words for the one and only person who makes the sun shine brighter, the stars happier, and makes life so much more interesting and loving. And you guessed it right, that word is none other than mother or Ma. Now it so happened, let me tell you a little story around mother and child. So it so happened that once during the lockdown, we're all going through it right now, right? So there are a lot of stuff to be done. Mummy has to do much more work than previous. So mummy was a little busy and she told her child, that beta, I need your help. So the child turned around and said, sure, Mama, I, Ma, Manji, no problem. I will help you. Here is my rate list. What did you say? What rate list? Mom, simple rate list. I'm going to help you with each chore, with each work that you want me to do. And there's a rate attached to that. Oh. That sounds complicated, but anyway, let me listen to you. All right, Ma, here I go. Every time I get bread from the market, it's 3 rupees. Every time I make my bed neatly, it's 5 rupees. I sweep my room, it's 5 rupees. I take the trash out, it's 2 rupees. I water the plants in the balcony, 2 rupees. I get up and help you chop the vegetables, it's 5 rupees. I help you fill up the water bottles for the refrigerator. The mother listened to the child and smiled. Oh, sure, my dear child. No problem at all. Now you listen to my rate list. Oh wow, said the child. Even Mom has a rate list? I never thought so. For helping you dress up 1 million times, my dear child, no charge. For helping you eat your food another 1 million times, no cost. For helping you with your homework, no charge. For helping you learn how to ride the bicycle, 0 rupees. For reading you more than 500 stories, no charge. For baking you your favorite cake at least 100 times, no charge. For playing with you on a seesaw and riding the swing with you, 0 charge. For dropping you to school every day, 0 charge. For bringing your companions to play with you and being your companion in hide and seek and crawling all over the floor, no charge. For dressing up in funny outfits to make you laugh, no charge. No charge. No charge. The little child kept listening to his mother in amazement. Then he got up and ran straight into her arms. Oh, thank you, Mama. Thank you so much for all that you do. I'm sorry for this rate list, Mama. The mother just smiled. Because that's what mothers are made for. To love their kids, to laugh with them, and to teach them gently when they go wrong. A mother's love can never be compared to services that money can buy. Remember, children, just like in COVID, God could not be everywhere. So what has He done? He's created doctors and nurses and healthcare workers who can be everywhere in place of God. similarly, when God made children as wonderful as each of you, as gorgeous as each of you, when you make the world so much a better place to be in, He realized that He could not be everywhere. So He made mothers. So let's all wish every mother a happy Mother's Day. Now, wherever you are, whoever you are, whatever size, age, gender you are, run to your mom right now, hug her tight, and promise to love her all your life. Happy Mother's Day.